He is our boss, he is our president, he will sort things out. So we are just speaking as leaders of thought. Thank you very much.
In addition, from Southwest, you know, the agitation for a new constitution is part of deepening our democracy. What is democracy? According to the National Bill of Human Rights, where the will of the people shall be the basis of authority of government. You see, what we want is constitution of Nigeria and not constitution for Nigeria. That is constitution that emerged from people. You see, the process upon which a constitution emerged defies validity. You see, defies validity. So what I say, constitution of Nigeria, that constitution made by Nigeria, and not constitution for Nigeria. First one. You know, then our scenario now resembles that of the 60. The 1960 constitution that first given to Nigeria was a schedule to the British in Council. Just like 1990, just like this constitution is a decree of that 1999 decree.
Yes, schedule.
Schedule, thank you.
Decree.